Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change crosshair in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all you will need an app called Crosshair Pro. So just simply download it and now I'm going to open it and now switch it on. And now you can select whatever crosshair you want. So I will simply select this one and you can position it according to how you want it and how large you want it. And if you want the opacity to be down, you can select it from here. So I will simply put it here and then let's start the game and see if it's work or not. Alright, so it looks like it's working. Now we will see if it's working or not. So you can change it according to what you want. So I will select this one. Let's try to shoot. As you can see, it's working. So that's how you can do that. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.